My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Adekunle don come as come gift Alex a very nice birthday gift, and also Yvonne from the Big Brother Titan season, she don meet armed robbers for South Africa. And lastly, Angel and her boyfriend wey dey call Soma, police don harass them for road. So of recent, we finish Valentine celebration for people wey actually do the Valentine, and a lot of our faves, they don come out come show us how they take celebrate their Valentine. One of them na Yvonne. For wetin we remember, Yvonne travel all the way from Nigeria to go celebrate Val with her guy for South Africa. Her boyfriend wey they call Juicy J. And a lot of people, even though say some people dey happy about the thing, there are still some bitter people wey be say dey jealous say Juicy J dey spend money for the girl. So for there, as they do their celebration, e come turn out say the girl come jam armed robber for road for that side. So instead of people to empathize or sympathize with the girl, some of them come out, they drag her, say na she cause am. After all, she dey share her location anywhere be say she dey go. According to them, the South African people, fans wey be say dey there, they blame the Nigerians. So say na Nigerian fans, na Nigeria people na wele the girl for road, thief her belongings. So make we just see the comments wey be say they drop after the girl come out come make this announcement. So the first person here say normally South Africa na ghetto, sorry dear. Another person come say na Pretoria she dey because na that side was for South Africa. Another one, this na comment wey really shock me. The person say, you think they are happy Juicy left them for you, Yvonne? They are burning seeing how you are chopping their son money. No be small thing. I not see a reason why person go dey angry say e dey spend for a babe. There are a lot of African countries, people, not just Africa, a lot of people for different countries, they marry different tribe, different color, different race, and not all of us now one. At the end of the day, na still the same God all of us they serve. So may everybody just calm down. So the next person can say, you go XA, go dey flaunt plenty pictures. Now all the people full there. Thank God you are safe. The people there are crazy. I noticed the way Yvonne just dey share her location up and down, they snap so picture. Not be say e dey bad to snap picture, but if you are snapping picture and you dey video yourself, why must you put your location there? Why? You don't fit hide that location of a thing. So another person come say, come tag am, come say, go back to your country, please. Stop draining Juicy J blood. Yet you have chains of boyfriend in Nigeria. Believe me when I say, if Yvonne get chains of boyfriend for this our country, now we go drag her. Now we go cause her pass, because for this our country, if you do well, we go applaud you. If you F up, no matter what you be, we go still drag you. So now say just be for Nigeria. Someone are not thinking. You go check the comment section, the amount of people will even worry about the girl. Say, I hope you are okay. Oh, I will see your leg, or you injured for the leg. Oh, sorry. Oh. You go see say the people will even tell her sorry. Even they smaller than people will be say they vex for her, say she dey chop Juicy J money. If she not chop her boyfriend money, now your money she go chop. Don't be smart thing. Well, I hope Yvonne is safe and she don't learn from this experience. And I be say she not just going to South Africa, anywhere be say she go. I not believe to say it is sensible enough to just share your location up and down. Be careful. Onto Angel matter. Today, Angel and her boyfriend they call Soma, they come out. They go out here. As we all know, this the Valentines, like my Angel and Soma I get them, because with the way of they do lovey, they post different pictures, they go chop for inside house, chop for inside bathroom, chop for restaurant. They happy for their first Valentine. They really celebrate them as if na the best Valentine wey be say they get. So a lot of people when they come out, they happy for them. Their fans were so happy to see two of them spending their first Valentine together. All of a sudden, they can't come out earlier today. They can't turn out say they meet police for road. The story never really clear, because when Angel go live, me I not fit meet up to follow her for the life. So, but the for her Instagram story, where we say she post, she can't they try to explain to say police colobi her for road, can't twist her hand, go back, can't even injure her finger. So
breaking my fucking nail and twisting my arm. That's what they like to do. End SARS again. That's what you people are good for. That's what you people are good for. I see citizens.
So And the thing I the girl just explain for the stuff, and she called even talking her, according to her, she saying harassment. The thing where we say they even funny me na the fact say Nigerians, a lot of people, not just Nigerians, a lot of fans, instead of them to put humanity first, they bash the girl. I never see western ship people go put stanship first before worrying about their fellow human being. Somebody injured, they tell una to say, see wetin happen to me. Instead of people to empathize with her, say, hey babe, sorry, you hope you are okay. No, they talk say na she too dey waka. Say Angel too dey waka, she no dey stay one place. Now make police go harass her.
A clear victim, but you go around making it seem like you waka stay one place. You are mad. Now one place you go feed her.
Don't disturb yourself. They are just waiting to hear bad news from those two people. God will go.
No mind. No, they are calm. We know they are calm. I want we take what do go the flower or the flower.
I will go bogo.
I beg go. What as in? I'm saying this. I'm saying that Angel to the waka. No, make she dey fly. You go talk say Angel to the fly. We are talking about you tomorrow. You are here saying she to the waka. It could be you tomorrow because it's our case now. You think you have every right to open your mouth and yarn rubbish. If it be you tomorrow.
Bad belly,
It can happen to anybody. You feel they work on your own, you feel just carry laptop, carry something, they will just come harass you. It happens in this country. So make nobody think to say because it happen to Angel, not happen to you. If it happen to anybody, harassment they exist. So the earlier everybody realize that, the better. Well, from the story where we said the year, they don't involve lawyer, Angel don't involve her lawyer, all those type of things. So I want to stay glued to this space because as the thing they come up, I go to give on the gist. So onto Alex matter. Alex do her birthday wish day for year. Happy birthday to her in arrears, and a very few of her colleague from the Big Brother Naija All Stars now even wish her happy birthday. Very few. So but at all na bad pass. So one of the people wey be say gift her something very tangible na Adekunle. Adekunle got her a golden wristwatch. So she come out even they even do am in a romantic way. I no even understand. Because say make close the eye, make give am the watch. So make una just watch the video for yourself.
Your eyes are not closed. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Don't shout off.
Is it a life thing?
No, it's not. Open your eyes.
Are you crazy? Jesus Christ! You made me a paper watch.
So as you dey see the watch, for my eye, the watch na good. I don't know the color where you see for your eye, but for my eye, the watch na good. If person even tell me to say Alex and Adekunle will eventually settle their scores, go become friends, it ain't really dey shocking to me because as we all know, Alex na one person wey be say shade Adekunle to the very last. She was always insulting him because of Venita. The same way we say she dey insult Adekunle because of Venita, she too dey insult Pere for your own distance. So I not believe to say two of them go eventually become friends to this extent. You know, Adekunle, since he come out from the house, the boy have been minding his business. He don't forgive everybody. He don't want to move on with his life. The only person here that they get wild goods right now na Venita, and I hope say eventually two of them go settle. Una take care, una bye.